Cricket is a game of glorious uncertainties. One cannot really predict the outcome of the game until the last ball. Often we get to see quite a few unpredictable performances when stereotypes are broken. And this unpredictable nature is the beauty of this wonderful game. Let us have a look at some unexpected records in international cricket. India has produced some most destructive batsmen in the cricketing history, the likes of Sachin Tendulkar, Virender Sehwag, Yuvraj Singh, MS Dhoni and many more. But none of them holds the record for hitting the fastest ODI 50 for India. You will be surprised to know that the fastest ODI 50 for India was scored by none other than former Indian pacer Ajit Agarkar. In the year 2000 against Zimbabwe, Agarkar scored 67 runs of 25 deliveries with 7 boundaries and 4 sixes. He scored his 50 of 21 deliveries. And after 2 decades, this is still a record. Sir Don Bradman, an all-time legend of cricket, a nightmare for bowlers. His test average of 99.94 speaks volumes of his mastery at the crease. But you will be shocked to know that in his 52 test matches, where he scored 6,996 runs at an average of 99.94, he smashed only 6 sixes. Yes, Sir Don believed in scoring runs without hitting sixes. 5-wicket haul in a test inning is considered equivalent to a test century. So naturally, it is easier to score a run than to pick a wicket. But New Zealand pacer Chris Martin and Indian leggy B.S. Chandrasekhar did something that no other player could manage to do in their cricketing career. These two players have taken more wickets than runs scored in the longer format of the game. Chris Martin, who played 71 matches for New Zealand, scored 123 runs and picked 233 wickets, whereas Chandrasekhar accounted for a total 242 wickets with 167 runs to his name. We all know legendary cricketer Sanet Jayasuriya as one of the most destructive batsmen of his era and a handy part-time bowler. But you will be amazed to know that Jayasuriya was better than Australia's Shane Warne in picking wickets in ODIs. Jayasuriya in his 445 ODI games picked 323 wickets, whereas Shane Warne picked 293 wickets in his ODI career. Now this surely has to be the most unexpected record of the lot. Rahul Dravid was arguably the most technically sound batsman in the history of the game. His defense was so solid that he was referred as the wall of Indian cricket. However, this very defense has been breached the most number of times in Test cricket. Rahul Dravid, who played 164 Test matches for India, scored 13,288 runs at an average of 52.31, was bowled out for the record number of 55 times.